Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we are diving into a really powerful technique that's designed to completely transform your QA workflow. We're going to see how you can use AI to turn all that tedious manual work into a genuine strategic advantage. I mean, let's be honest, who isn't? I think we can all relate to this. The core pain point for so many QA professionals is just that time-consuming, repetitive grind of manually turning business documents into test cases. So let's first talk about what we're up against. The manual testing grind. This is that traditional process a lot of us face every single day, and it's exactly what we're trying to fix. You know the drill, right? You get handed this massive document, and your job is to just wade through page after page, making sure every single detail, every requirement, and every possible user path is covered. It's absolutely crucial work, but man, it is a grind. Okay, so how do we fix this? Let's get to the solution. A master prompt that's been carefully engineered to do all that heavy lifting for you. The whole thing kicks off with this one simple instruction. See, by giving the AI this expert persona, you're not just asking a question. You're basically commissioning a specialist. This one little change sets the stage for high-quality, expert-level output right from the get-go. And then the prompt demands this really structured, 6-part output. So it's not just some random list of tests. No, it starts high level with a summary and a strategy. Then it drills down into scenarios, detailed cases, and even gets into the critical stuff like edge cases and risk assessment. And check out the level of detail it asks for in each test case. It's asking for everything, from a unique ID and a priority level, all the way to specific test data and exactly what result to expect. This isn't just a suggestion, it's a blueprint for generating clear, actionable, and perfectly formatted test cases every single time. But here's the thing, this template isn't just some rigid, one-trick pony. The real power here is just how versatile it is. Think of it as a foundation you can build on. For instance, let's say you're testing a mobile app. Well, you can just add these specific needs right into the prompt. You can ask it to think about touch gestures, what happens when the app is offline, push notifications, even how it handles screen orientation changes. And the same idea works for API testing. Here, you can tailor the prompt to validate endpoints for all your CRUD operations. That's create, read, update, and delete, and have it test different HTTP status codes and make sure the schemas are solid. This is where it gets really powerful, especially for high-stakes stuff. For financial or e-commerce apps, you can tell the AI to really focus on data integrity, audit trails, and those super important compliance areas like GDPR or PCI DSS. So what does this actually look like in practice? Well, your daily workflow is about to get a whole lot simpler and way more strategic. Your whole process basically shifts from creation to curation. It's just 5 simple steps. You go from a blank page to a nearly complete test suite. The AI generates that first draft, and your expertise is focused on the high-value work, reviewing and refining. Now, if you want to get the absolute best results, just remember these pro tips. Feed the AI requirements in smaller chunks, maybe one feature at a time. Give it a little context about the app, and this is key. Iterate. Use follow-up questions, and you can even ask the AI to critique its own work and find gaps. So all of this brings us to a really fundamental and, I think, a very exciting shift in the role of a quality assurance professional. And this is the crucial takeaway. Your expertise is elevated. You're no longer just the manual creator of test cases. You become the strategic validator, the domain expert who refines and perfects what the AI puts out so you can focus your energy where it actually matters. Which leaves us with a final, kind of provocative thought. Is AI the new junior QA on your team? Maybe the best way to look at this tool isn't as a replacement at all, but as this tireless, incredibly fast, and very capable new assistant. The only question left is, what are you going to build with it?